I'm excited to share something truly groundbreaking that will change the direction of cosmetics fillers. Introducing Veer, the revolutionary breakthrough in natural volume restoration. Experience the transformative power of live adipose tissue. Veer, your living solution for natural volume. Veer is the future of volume restoration. Hello, my name is Alvin Mendieta, and I am the Chief Marketing Officer for Dr. Constantino Mendieta, my brother whose name's synonymous with excellence in cosmetic surgery and recognized globally as the pioneer of the Brazilian butt lift, affectionately known to many as the BBL. Dr. Mendieta is not only a visionary in body sculpting, but also the plastic surgeon to the stars. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to the new age of fillers, Veer. Veer isn't just a product, it's a revolution in natural volume enhancement, utilizing live adipose tissue derived from living donors to ensure the highest quality and vitality possible. Sourced directly from living donors, Veer offers unmatched quality and vitality. This isn't just volume enhancement, it's a seamless integration for results that look incredibly natural and are built to endure. Veer harnesses your body's own fat assimilation processes, enhancing volume and texture, ensuring it blends perfectly with your body. Safe, ethical, and minimally invasive. Veer respects both donor and recipient with quick in-office procedures that let you bounce right back to your day. No downtime, no worries. With its versatile applications, Veer is perfect for facial rejuvenation, hand enhancements, and sculpting body contours. From your cheeks to under-eye hollows to your hands, Veer delivers natural, enduring beauty. With Veer, improvements evolve and enhance over time, naturally boosting collagen production to elevate skin quality and elasticity. Why choose Veer? Because it's the natural, sustainable way to maintain long-lasting results. Veer's living cells continuously rejuvenate your appearance, all sourced and processed under the strictest ethical standards. Expand your practice with Veer. Offer your patients a trusted, groundbreaking solution for their aesthetic needs. Veer is the future of non-surgical cosmetic procedures, impressive, ethical, and minimally invasive. Choose Veer today. Restore volume, bring back youthfulness, naturally, embrace the Veer way. And for medical professionals eager to expand their expertise in cutting-edge cosmetic techniques, we are excited to invite you to our exclusive training on the skinny BBL procedure using Veer. This training is crafted to equip you with the skills to perform this innovative procedure that promises minimal invasiveness with outstanding natural-looking results. Join us as we lead the way in aesthetic medicine under the leadership and expertise of Dr. Constantino Mendieta, the go-to doctor when other doctors seek to perfect their skills, combining advanced techniques with the natural beauty enhancements that today's discerning patients demand. Be part of the future, enhance your practice, and deliver results that speak for themselves.